Maritime Industry Authority or MARINA. The Philippine Maritime Authority is abbreviated as MARINA is an agency of the Philippine government under the DOTC responsible for integrating development promotion regulation. History. June 1, 1974, the Maritime Industry Authority or MARINA was created with the issuance of Presidential Decree Number 474 to integrate the development of marina. On July 23, 1979, it was originally placed under the Office of the President with the creation of Ministry, the Department of Transportation and Communication by the virtue of Executive Order Number 546. On June 30, 1987, EO Number 125A was issued reorganizing department and the agencies under its umbrella were defined. These are the main functions of Marina. First, they promote the marina in the maritime industry. Second, Marina is also provide the rules and regulations in the shipping enterprises to maintain it organized. Third, marinas provide and issue the certificates of public convenience or known as a CPC to those domestic.
This is the sample of organizational chart wherein the management of the marinas is vested administrator who manage the all matters in marina. It is directly assisted by the Deputy Administrator for Planning and Deputy Administrator for Operations. Deputy Administrator for Planning is responsible for planning and organizing, staffing, and directing the all matters in marina, while the Deputy Administrator for Operation is responsible for overall operation for the organization. Under the two deputies' direct control and supervision are the 10 line staff offices in the central office. Under the Deputy Administrator for Planning are the first, Administrative and Finance Office. It is responsible in all matters in finance and administration. The second one is Management Information System. They provide information about marina and also have knowledge about computer system. The third one is the Planning and Policy Office. They serve as the principal advisor to leaders on all matters of policy and organizational strategy of marina. The fourth one is the Manpower Development Office. They are responsible for issues for the loss of experience from the retiring employees. The fifth one is Maritime Legal Affairs. They provide legal advice in the interpretation of law in implementing rules and regulations. Now, under the Deputy Administration for Operation are the first, Shipyard Regulation Office, who formulates, recommend, and implement policies and programs for the regulation and supervision of ship building, ship repair, and ship breaking industry. The second one is the Franchising Office, who is responsible for franchising. The third one is Overseas Shipping Office, who evaluate and act on application to various aspects of the overseas shipping. The fourth one is the Domestic Shipping Office, who evaluate and act on application pertaining to the various aspects of domestic shipping. And the last one is the Ship Regulation and Licensing Office, who is responsible for creating license and implementing rules and regulations in marina.
These are the 10 Marinas Regional Offices or MROS. Marina Regional Office are follows. Marina RO 1 and 2 La Union Maritime Regional Office, Marina RO 4 Batangas Maritime Regional Office, Marina RO 5 Legazpi Maritime Regional Office, Marina RO 6 Iloilo Maritime Regional Office, Marina RO 7 Cebu Maritime Regional Office, Marina RO 8 Tacloban Maritime Regional Office, Marina RO 9 Zamboanga Maritime Regional Office, Marina RO 10 Cagayan de Oro Maritime Regional Office, Marina RO 11 Davao Maritime Regional Office, Marina RO 12 Cotabato Maritime Regional Office. Trivia: did you know that Dr. Massimo Q. Mejia Jr. is our newly appointed Administrator of Maritime Industry Authority?